Hey guys, it's Brie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. This is look number 6 in my 10 looks using one palette series. In this series I am highlighting the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. This palette is gorgeous. Like I said, this is look number 6 in this series, so I will link the playlist down below so you can check out all the other looks that I've created. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I already have my eyes primed and set, so I'm just going to jump right into the palette. First, picking up Bare. This is a BH Cosmetics fluffy brush. I'm just laying this down as a transition shade. I have that all laid down and blended out. I am going to be picking up Cut Crease on that same fluffy brush, and I'm going to concentrate that in the crease, blending up. Okay, once I have that blended out really nicely, picking up Expression. I'm picking that up on a crease brush. This is just a Moto one. I am going to concentrate that on the outer corner, just really deepening that outer corner. Lightly blending it into the crease. Then picking up Cut Crease on that first fluffy brush, just blending that on the outer V one more time. Next, taking a setting spray. I'm taking the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Taking a packing brush and spraying that. Picking up So Glam and Inspire. I'm going to be adding that to the inner corner. Mainly taking So Glam, I'm putting that on the very inner corner. Then I'm going to go ahead and spray that same brush again. Mainly putting So Glam right on the very inner corner, then picking up Inspire and blending it. Next, taking another packing brush and spraying that. I am picking up Image, and I'm going to work that more towards the outer corner and blending that lightly into the green. Picking up that first packing brush and blending the blue and green. Spraying my brush once again, picking up Dare Me. I am packing that on the outer part of the lid. This is what we're looking at right now. I'm gonna go ahead and take Create. Taking Create on a fluffy brush, I'm going to work that into the crease, adding a little bit of a purple tint. Oh yeah, I like adding that purple tint, that purple hue into it. Picking up another fluffy brush, I'm going to be taking Forever, and I am working that on the outer V. Picking up another fluffy brush, just taking a little bit of Bare and really buffing those edges out. Taking another packing brush and spraying it. I would like to add a little bit more of that gold right on the inner corner. Picking up So Glam. Just really adding that to the inner corner. Okay, so can you see my face? It's like fallout all over. That's why I like to do my eyes first, especially when I'm doing colors like this. Okay, so I am gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back to finish my lower lash line. Okay guys, so I finished up the rest of my makeup, so just finishing up my eyes. I am picking up Cut Crease and smoking that out on the lower lash line. On that same brush, picking up Create. I am just smoking that out on the outer corner. Next, picking up Indigo. On a pencil brush, I am just smoking that out on the center, mimicking the top basically. And then picking up Fickle on a different brush and smoking that out on the inner corner. Then taking any beige shade, I'm just picking up a beige shade out of a contour palette to clean up under the brow. Then using the highlighter I used on my face, which is the Ofra Rodeo Drive, picking that up on that same brush, highlighting the inner corner and right under the arch of my brow. And then spraying my face, I'm using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Okay guys, and that is the finished look. So I actually am obsessed with how this eyeshadow came out. I'm surprised. I had no inkling of an idea of what I wanted to do. I just wanted to use a lot of colors. I pretty much brought every single color scheme in this palette together. I used some of the pinks, the browns, the blues, the greens. I basically used all of them, threw them on my eyes, and this is one of my favorite eye looks. I really love it. I think it looks so, so cool. I did not add winged liner. I felt like these colors were vibrant enough, and just cleaning up that eyeshadow, I think it looks great. I'm really excited. I love when I go in not even having an idea of what I want to do for my eyeshadow and it turns out really good, so yay for that. This is look number 6 of 10 in this series. If you are excited for this series and liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up so that I know. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post 3 videos every week. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below with any products, looks, or colors in this palette you want me to highlight, and I will be sure to check them out. I am filming a foundation wear test on this foundation, and I filmed a 5 first impressions on the rest of my face, like I do almost every week. So if you want to see those, I will link them down below and in the eye over here, and if they are not up yet, they will be up soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Oh yeah? Oh really? Yeah. Oh my goodness, no way. Oh my gosh. Oh really? Oh yeah? Yep. Yeah.